Oh, there you are.
Where am I supposed to be?
I don't know. What are you doing here?
Sleeping.
We have another lesson for you to do today.
Yeah.
Where is it?
The Fender.
The fender. Yes, guys. Just as we promised you guys, we will remove the fender today of 2011 Porsche Panamera. And in our last episode, I was teaching Nicodemus how to pull the side skirt. As you guys can see it, it's off the car now. And it's giving us an access for this bolts right here. So, but Nicodemus, okay, this is the fender. It makes the cars looks cool. Okay. So now, okay, before we pull the fender out,
You gotta take this off?
yeah, we have to take. Do you know what it's called?
Not really.
It's called fender liner.
Fender liner.
Yeah. You know what is it? What is this for?
To make it look cool.
Not really. I mean, it's
To block that.
to protect, right? To
Yeah,
block,
not for anything to hit it up there.
or for dirt and water get inside the fender, right?
Yeah, there's like wires and that stuff.
Okay. So we're gonna have to unscrew that first, and we have screws like this. Well, basically, Nicodemus, whatever you see, screws,
There's
just
screws
okay.
over
Those are plastic clips. Some are the plastic clips,
there.
right?
You
Like
can dig
this.
them off here.
Not really. You can probably, yeah, break
A little
them
bit.
with that. Okay, let's start taking them out.
Is it the right way?
Yeah, that was the right way. We have to kind of. Okay.
I do it?
Putting that one. Okay, that one is not holding anything.
Oh, so.
There's one.
I can't use it.
Okay, I think
It's
that
not
one's
going
loose.
off.
Okay, what else is holding?
These. And we're gonna need this.
Yeah, use it.
And it's 10.
10 millimeter, right?
Yeah.
10 millimeter socket. So now, see if you can remove them by hand.
This one's easy.
Okay, and we have one more right here.
There's one. No.
You don't need that.
What is that for?
I'll explain to you later because you're not gonna remember everything.
Okay. I don't remember everything. Haven't seen this car in a while.
Okay, I think you can use your fingers for that. Okay, let's see if we can pull the fender liner out. Okay, there's one more right here. Let's see. Okay. So this is called fender liner. Well, don't get yourself dirty.
Oh.
Okay, just put it aside right now. That will be cleaned and posted in on our eBay store. Okay, so now we have better access and view underneath the fender. So there's a lot of stuff that we have to pull
A lot of
out of this
wires.
car.
A bunch of wires.
Okay, so let's start pulling the fender out. Okay, so we done removing the fender liner. Now we have to remove the fender. So there's 2 bolts, Nicodemus, right here. Okay, you see them? Okay, are you sure you're holding your tools right way?
Oh. I'm lame, so that's fine.
Okay.
Okay, well.
Okay, I think.
Watch this.
I'm watching. I think you have to learn how to use your tools first.
Telling the viewers.
Huh?
Telling the viewers.
Yeah, the viewers will laugh at you. Leave them some
Would it help?
comments for that.
Please, no comments.
No comments? Why not?
Please. Am I doing?
Yeah, you have to do it quick, man.
But I'm not like you. My broken finger.
Okay.
It's pretty hard.
Take it out. People can watch all day long to how we're pulling 2 bolts.
But why won't you tell me? You're not telling me.
Let's go. Quick.
Am I doing it the right way?
Come on.
I'm not even doing it.
Nicodemus, we can't do this.
What?
You're taking too long.
How about you do this one?
I'll do it. Yeah. It will be easier if you pull this plastic out, but you know, I don't want to waste people's time, so. Okay, so 2 bolts out. Now, Nicodemus, check inside right here. Come from this side. There is 1 more bolt inside right here. You see?
Yeah. Let me take it.
It's okay. You're taking too long. Hold the camera. Hold the camera.
You're teaching me.
Hold the camera.
Well, you're teaching me.
Exactly, I'm teaching you. You forgot that you have a fraction on your finger?
2.
2 fractions. So what do you want? Get hurt more?
I don't work.
Okay. Well, I'll let you work at the top of the fender. So, okay, now we have 2 more bolts, right? Screws right here. Okay. Okay. See? And okay, come on top right here. 2 more screws right here. Well, we have to remove the plastic anyway. Now it's giving us an access for the bolt right here. You see it?
Yep.
So now, let's see what else is holding the fender. Okay, looks like we're gonna have to pull this bracket out first. This is headlight bracket. 1. and it should just slide like this out. There you go. Now we have more bolts, right?
Yep.
3 more bolts. So when you guys pulling fender out, you have to remove the headlight bracket to have better access for these bolts. Okay. Something else is holding?
A lot of bolts.
One more bolt right here for the hood hinge. There's one more bolt.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else? Something else is holding. Let's see.
Something else is
There's
fighting.
this foam. Okay, under the foam. So under the foam, another bolt.
It's white. You can see it here. Some bolts are like
So
white.
kind of show us where that is, okay?
Yeah.
So by the hood hinge, there's 2 bolts. Okay, now let's see. Something else.
Something else?
Yes. Let me open up the door. And sometimes there is bolts.
Anything else?
I don't see it. Let me check underneath. Yeah. So it's a little bit dark, guys, but there is one more bolt right there. Let me grab a flashlight so I can show you. So there is one more bolt right by that wire. I'm holding. Hold the flashlight, Nicodemus. Hold it so Nicodemus. Okay, so right there, there is that bolt. And I think that's the last bolt that's holding the fender. Okay, Nicodemus, are you ready to remove that fender?
Yeah.
Let's do it. This is cool. This is your first fender. What? Something's holding, right?
Yeah.
What's holding?
Oh, okay.
Okay. There's a clip that's holding the fender.
Okay.
1, 2.
That's it.
No.
Huh?
One more. Three. And now we have a plug. Okay, let me press. And pull. There you go. Okay, so now something. Okay, pull the fender. Hold on. Okay, this wiring is going to the light. This is a turn signal light. So in order to pull plugs like this, Nicodemus.
Yeah.
Okay. You see this metal pin?
Okay.
Do you see this?
Yeah.
Okay, so you kind of have to pull it out. Actually, okay. Something else?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's too much. A lot of things.
There you go. Why don't you hold that fender? What do you want to say to our viewers?
Subscribe and give a big thumbs up.
That's your first fender, huh?
Yeah.
It's a big fender.
Probably.
Let's show closer. So Nicodemus, this fender, it's aluminum fender, which is harder to work on it, to do like body work. But it's not bad. I think we can save this fender for our buyers, and we'll post it in our eBay store. So guys, check the links below. This fender will be for sale on YouTube and our website. Please subscribe to our channel. What else you want to say, Nicodemus?
What do I have to say?
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Hard?
Yeah.
Did you get your hands dirty?
Yeah.
I know. Yeah, it is, man. This is how it works. One more thing, guys. I want to show you how many bolts on the fender. Okay, so how many bolts are holding the fender? As you guys remember, we have 3 bolts right here. We have 2 screws right here. We have 2 bolts at the bottom. Okay. Then we have 2 bolts inside. So basically, kind of hard to see. I want to show you guys one at the top, right there, and one right here. And then we have 3 bolts. 1 bolt, 2, 3. Okay. So this is everything you need to do to pull the fenders of a Porsche Panamera.
There's 12.
12? Did you count?
Yeah, I guess. Maybe
Yeah.
I'm wrong.
Maybe 12, yeah. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this episode. Watch our other episodes that we have, and we hope you guys subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share these videos with your friends. Fathers, I do encourage you guys to share this video with your kids, with your boys like Nicodemus, so they can watch and learn how to take cars apart. Thank you once again. Goodbye.